content is for educational purposes only, drawing from our professional and educational experiences and opinions. Please use this information at your own personal or professional discretion. We are not liable for anything you do with this information.
Good evening. Welcome to Ask the Lady Electrical Inspector podcast. I am your host, Tabatha L. Tonight, we're diving into an important topic, the rules and guidelines concerning temporary power, often referred to as temp poles. These temporary structures are essential for powering construction sites and emergency setups before permanent electrical connections are established. This is what we will cover. What is a temporary meter pole? When are temporary meter poles required? Guidelines provided by the utility companies. Common reasons why these installations fail electrical inspections. Join me for a brief discussion that aims to clear up any confusion around this type of temporary power, ensuring safe and compliant setups for your projects. Let's get started and jump right in. What is a temporary meter pole? A temporary meter pole is a custom-made electrical service structure designed specifically for short-term use during construction projects or outdoor events. A temporary meter pole can either be overhead or underground fed. Typically constructed from durable weather-resistant materials such as galvanized steel, treated wood, or other corrosive-resistant composites, these poles ensure longevity and stability in various environmental conditions. The pole connects directly to the main utility line via a secured, weatherproof overhead or underground connection, ensuring a reliable power supply. It features an electrical meter for accurate monitoring of energy consumption and a service-rated panel equipped with less than 6 circuit breakers to facilitate safely shutting off. Additionally, these temporary poles are outfitted with multiple outdoor rated outlets, allowing for the operation of power tools, lighting systems, and electronic devices. This configuration provides a flexible and efficient power solution, enabling workers, contractors, and event organizers to operate essential equipment safely and effectively before the installation of permanent electrical power. When are temporary poles required? Temporary meter poles are commonly used when power from the utility grid is unavailable or has been removed, such as during new construction or renovation projects. Temp poles are also used for construction job trailers, also used and required in situations such as natural disasters, severe storm damages, severe flooding, and fire disasters. Temporary power is needed to provide electrical power to construction workers and restoration teams before permanent electrical service is installed by the electricians. Now I will give you guidelines provided by the utility company. Please refer to your Missouri Utility Company Service Manual, Section 600, for the design of a temp pole. A few construction notes. Figure 600-4, where practical, The service to the temporary connection should be installed in a manner suitable for transfer to the permanent location. Temporary pole shall be located between 10 feet to 75 feet away from a utility pole. GFCI protection is required on temporary wiring per the National Electrical Code. Please refer to your service manual section 1000 for the approved meter socket. Please refer to your service manual section 800 for clearance requirements. Service entrance cables type SE is permitted for use as a riser or between the self-contained meter socket and the main service disconnect. Now, I will give common reasons why these installations fail electrical inspections, including, but not limited to, improper grounding and National Electrical Code requirements. Damaged meter socket covers, missing latches, and damaged meter boxes. Article 110.12b. The panel doors must open 90 degrees. Article 110.26a2. Missing bonding screw or scrap. Article 250.24a4. Improperly installed structural members. Please refer to your utility service manual for the installation of the temp pole, the construction. Grounding plug broken inside receptacle. Article 110.12b. Deteriorated service entrance cable. Article 110.7. Receptacles not GFCI protected. Article 210.8A3. Missing in-use covers for receptacles. Article 406.9b. Grounding electrode conductor installed at an angle workmanship. Article 110.12. Missing knockout enclosures. Article 110.12a. Debris inside meter socket or panel, such as bird's nests, bird's feathers, straw, mud, could affect the safe operation of the components of that circuit. Article 110.11. Service panel not suitable for use as service equipment. Article 230.66a. During our brief discussion tonight, I highlighted some important standards and requirements regarding temp poles and installation. It's important to protect your construction projects and your property to make sure these type of installations are done correctly. When you hire someone to install a temp pole, knowing what to look for and asking the right questions can help you understand their experience and qualifications. Also, make sure they have the necessary license and insurance to do the work safely. Working on electrical projects, whether starting new ones or fixing existing setups, can be tricky. When you hire professionals to install a temporary pole, knowing what to expect and asking the right question will demonstrate their experience and qualifications. My podcast is designed to address these challenges directly. My primary objective is to resolve electrical issues swiftly, ensuring uninterrupted progress. Effective communication between electrical contractors is essential. and all parties must be fully aligned on local codes and safety standards. Stay informed, prioritize safety, and promote these best practices amongst our electrical community. I want to take a moment to thank everyone who listens to Ask the Lady Electrical Inspector podcast. Your ongoing support and the questions you send mean so much to me. It's your engagement that helps me keep the podcast and grow, builds our community, and drives my mission to help you tackle electrical issues before they become problems during inspections. I truly appreciate your questions and concerns, and I enjoy responding to them. Join me on Wednesday, November the 5th for an important discussion. Let's come together to identify and address any electrical safety concerns you might have. Visit my YouTube channel where I post short videos showcasing common mistakes in the electrical inspections. If you're interested in learning or understanding more about electrical standards, check out the list of the 60 Best Electricians podcast. Feel free to reach out to me on social media with any questions, comments, or topic ideals. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube under the name Ask the Lady Electrical Inspector. Let's work together to keep our electrical system safe and up to code. Thank you for your time and have a great night.